Birdman, again from Hot Rod Custom. Hey, all of us go to different stores to buy things. And I bought this at Harbor Freight the other day. It's a little brake. It's a 32-inch brake that I did some modifications to, basic modifications that anybody can really do as long as you got a little welder or something, a little shop. And it's a nice project, and I wanted to show it to you today. Okay, Birdman from Hot Rod Customs. Hey, as mentioned, I was at Harbor Freight and I bought this little brake. They don't sponsor me. I have nothing to do with it. I do use a lot of their products because I think, for the money, it's a good buy. I wanted to show, I made some modifications to it, and I want to show you how it works for me.
Good work. Does it turn it? No, this thing is turned. I gotta use it. I gotta weld that.
Okay, so this is how this thing works. So you tighten up the bar. Just do a 90-degree bend or any degree bend you want. You loosen up the bar. That's what it gives you. Simple, but yet handy. And so you can do all kinds of different bends. I mean, you can make channels, and you can do all kinds of small sheet metal bends when you're making a little project at home. Thought I'd show you that today.